Okay students, good morning. Let us start our topic from the second lesson, that is genetics, and study DNA structure. This lesson is very important as far as NEET examination is concerned. So friends, you know that our body is made up of billions of cells. Our body is made up of billions of cells, and in those cells lies the nucleus, and the nucleus contains DNA. Okay, the nucleus is called as brain of the cell, and DNA controls all the important activities of the cell. So we can say that DNA is the basic information carrier of the cell. So let us first write down the full form of DNA. It is deoxyribo nucleic acid. And the important points regarding DNA are: DNA is the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material in humans, or in other words, we can call it as eukaryotes, as we are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes. Second point is, it is the basic information carrier of the cell. It is the basic information carrier of the cell. Basic information carrier of the cell. Okay. Third point is, DNA is chemically very active. DNA is chemically active, and hence transfer the characteristics from one generation to another generation. And hence transfers the characteristics from one generation to another. Sometimes what happens? Sometimes what happens is that the characteristics transferred may occur with some change. Those changes are called variations, and the variations occur due to mutation. So we can write that DNA is prone to mutation. DNA is prone to mutation. And the last point is, DNA is very important for the evolution of human race. DNA is important in evolution. Evolution of human race. Okay, DNA is the genetic material in humans. It is the basic information carrier of the cell. DNA is chemically active and hence transfers the characteristics from one generation to another. DNA is prone to mutation, and DNA is important in evolution of human race. Evolution of human race. Okay. Now let us study about the structure of DNA. सबसे पहले हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि डीएनए किस चीज से बना है, ऑफ व्हाट द डीएनए इज मेड अप ऑफ. सो डीएनए इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. डीएनए इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. ओके. न्यूक्लियोटाइड is the monomer of DNA. Nucleotide is the monomer of DNA. Nucleotide is the monomer. Okay. So DNA is made up of nucleotide, and nucleotide is the monomer for DNA. But DNA is a chain of nucleotide. Nucleotide is not single. If nucleotide is single, then it can be called as monomer. But it is a chain of nucleotide like this. Like this, it is the chain of nucleotide. Hence, we call as DNA as a polymer. It is a polymer. DNA is a polymer of nucleotide. Secondly, DNA is a heteropolymer. That I will tell you in the next session why it is heteropolymer, but it is heteropolymer. And it is called as polynucleotide. DNA is called as polynucleotide, as it is formed by more than one nucleotide. Hence it is called as polynucleotide. So DNA is a monomer, but it is a chain of nucleotide, hence it is called as polymer. DNA is also heteropolymer, and DNA is called as polynucleotide. Okay. Now let us study of what the nucleotide is made up of. Nucleotide is made up of three components. Which are they? First is pentose sugar. Second is nitrogenous base. And third is phosphate group. So nucleotide is made up of three components: pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. So first let us start from pentose sugar. Pentose sugar is a cyclic compound. Pentose sugar is a cyclic compound of 5 carbons. It is a cyclic compound of 5 carbons. Okay. And second is, it is a monosaccharide. So pentose sugar is a cyclic compound of 5 carbons, and it is a monosaccharide, and it is divided into, it is of two types. Pentose sugar is of two types. One is ribose sugar and another one is deoxyribose sugar. So for the preparation of nucleotide, we shall use deoxyribose sugar. You can write it down if you want to write. Now let us study nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous base. It is a cyclic compound of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon and hydrogen. It is of two types. Nitrogenous bases are of two types, purines and pyrimidines. Nitrogenous bases are of two types, purines and pyrimidines. Which are the purines? Adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Sorry, just a minute. Adenine and guanine are purines, thymine and cytosine are pyrimidines. One more pyrimidine is there, the name is uracil. But uracil is not found in DNA, it is found only in RNA.